Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to be completing the second part of this Tkinter MP3 player series. And today this is the ending result of our project once we have finished it. So it will look something like this. We will have a icon and a title. And we will also we will also have a bigger window than before. Okay, so let's start coding and actually customize our window. Okay, so this is our code from last time, and if we run this, we had this Tkinter window with no good icon at all. It just had an original title. We're going to put a different one, and it's a bit small, so we're going to change the size. Yeah. So let's first start by setting the icon. So before you start, when you're setting your custom icon, you need to have a .ico file. Otherwise, because Tkinter won't accept PNG files when you are setting icons. So you need to have an ICO file. And you can find loads of .ico format converters on the internet. So now let's set our icon. So I'm going to say root.icon bitmap. Root.icon bitmap. We need to put the file of our icon. So mine is called musicplayer.ico. And now if we run this code, we will have this icon, and it is now not a feather, it is a music player. Okay, so now if you see here, our title is actually a bit weird. It says TK, and we don't really want that. We want to put our own file. Okay, so, we want to put our own title, sorry. So this is actually a pretty obvious thing to do. So we're going to say root.title. And what this is going to do is it's going to set the title. So I'm going to call my MP3 player. And if we run this now, what it says MP, and it's not showing unless you expand the window. So it says MP3 player, but you have to expand the window to show this. Okay, so we're going to kind of make the window about this size, without it having to expand it. So what we need to do is we need to say root.geometry. So root.geometry basically sets the size, and it's kind of different to some different modules in Python where you just have to write some numbers. Here we have to actually write a string. So we need to say root.geometry. So you want to put your width 300, and then you put a times by 300. So this now I want to set my window to 300 by 300. So this is what this is going to do. Okay, so if we run this, okay, so now we have got a really big window. It is before our window was about it was about this small probably. It was that small, and now we have made it bigger, about this big. Okay, so we have set it to 300 by 300. Okay, so basically this is actually all we're going to do today. It was a very short video. In the next video, we'll be adding some text and a button to our window over here. So it is more MP3 player like. Okay, so if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And also if you if you have any comments or doubts, please comment them in the comment section below. And I guess that's the end of this video. Bye.